Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you how you can make my really beautiful Swarovski inspired necklace in just 3 easy steps. So let's go into today's video. Okay, so the materials you're going to need to create this really beautiful Swarovski inspired necklace is just the actual stones themselves. So they come already like this. It's nice and long. You can make anything you want, bracelet, necklace, turn it into earrings if you'd like to, but we're going to make a necklace. I've got memory wire, so this is normal jewellery wire. What's wrong with me? But it's memory, so it keeps the same form. No matter how many times you pull it apart, straighten it, it will always snap back to the same shape. And then I've chosen this really beautiful clasp. You can see just how it sparkles, so it keeps in style with the Swarovski theme. And then I'm also going to actually use this as a focal point. And I just want to show you this particular one. It's magnetic. So it's really easy to open and close. There's no lobster clasp or anything like that involved. And then it doesn't also look like a clasp when you actually wear it as part of a focal point. And then to put all of these together, you just need the scissors to cut the crystals, cutters to cut the wire, and then B6000 glue as always to glue everything to the clasp. So let's begin. The first thing you're going to want to do is take the actual crystal material and measure it out to the length and size that you want for your necklace. So I opted to go for just a little bit longer than a choker, and I've already made a slit when I actually measured it around my neck. So let me just cut that off there, and then this section we don't need, so put that to one side. And then with the memory wire, first thing you need to do is find the end, and we're just gonna slide it through. So this process, it's so simple. It really is a 3-step process to making this necklace. So obviously the first step was to actually measure out and cut the crystal to length. Second step, thread the memory wire through. Now we don't want it coming out entirely all the way to the end because we're going to put the bail over it. So we just want it like this. There we go. And then we're going to cut the memory wire. Okay, so we don't need this, so we can put this to one side. And then the third and final step is to glue everything together. So I'm just going to take one end of this clasp. Okay, I'm putting a lot of glue in here. I want it to be nice and strong so that obviously when we open and close the necklace as well, it doesn't come out. So you can put as much or as little as you would like in here, but like I said, I'm just lathering it with glue. And then connect one side and push it all the way through so it stays like this. And then we're going to do exactly the same to the other side. And there you have it, your finished necklace. Obviously leave this to dry for about 24 hours before you try and open and close it, because it's just going to pull the crystals out of the clasp. Just look at that sparkle. How beautiful is that? Let me know in the comments what you think. And I've not even used all of the crystals and all of the memory wire. And I mean, I can even make some really nice earrings to go with this as well. And that's exactly what I did. Have a look at these beautiful, elegant hoop earrings that I've created. And if you want to know how to make them yourself, keep watching. I'm going to show you right now. So this time the only thing I need are these little hoop earrings. So they're just simple open and close clasps. But what's really great about these is the actual hoop itself and the earring. It's so thin that it can slip through the crystal material that we've got. So the first thing to do is actually measure out the size and cut it to length. And that's exactly what I've done here. Measure twice, cut once. And then we simply thread it through just like we did with the necklace. Okay, I'm just going to hold it with a pair of pliers to be able to really push the crystals around, because we want to be able to have this piece come out as much as possible. And you can just double check that you have cut it correctly. If you haven't, if it's too far over, take it off, cut it again, trim it up until it's perfect, because you want to obviously be able to close the earring and still be able to wear it. Now you can see there is still a bit of slide in the crystals. So all I'm going to do is purposely actually just take it off, and I'm going to put a bit of B6000 glue just on the end, so when we then push it back over, it's going to stay and not want to move and slide off, which means it's going to last you for a very long time, especially if you look after them and look after the actual connector here. Okay, so let's push this back through. Okay, and there is the finished earring, and it sparkles just as much. It's so beautiful and elegant. You don't need anything else to go with these. The crystals speak for themselves. Let this dry, like I said about the necklace, for 24 hours, just so you know it's nice and set, and then it's a nice little set. Let me do the other one and I'll come back and show you everything all together. And there you have the finished earrings with the necklace. Just look how much they sparkle. Look at these, aren't they beautiful? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and if you have been able to make this, I would really love to see it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I've really enjoyed making this video, and I hope you've enjoyed watching it just as much. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell button so you can be notified of more tutorials like this. And if you want to know where I get my creativity and my inspiration from, then please watch this top video. And if you want to see a really easy tassel making tutorial, then watch the video below. Until next time, bye!